Hi, welcome to Genopro Tips. Looking at this question on the forum today, is there a way to rearrange the displayed data, please? For example, instead of years of birth and death followed by the name, arrange the display to have the full name at the top and the birth and death years underneath. There's a few answers here which talk about generating reports, but I don't think that's what the user is asking about that. We're talking about the standard Genopro and thinking about this. So my interpretation is to get this date swapped over with the name. So the name on top, the date underneath. So let's have a look at our display functions, first of all, which is where we'll find the answer to that. There's a range of here, but all of these affect only this top bit. I'll show you what I mean. If I click nothing, everything disappears. If I click on the year or the birth date or anything else, then if there's no information, it won't matter. So that there isn't, this name will always stay there no matter what you do. And even if you put in full name at the top, it will still have the name underneath. That won't disappear at all. So I think that is a non-negotiable. I'm happy to be proved wrong. So the answer on this instance is big fat no. You can't change that.